Hello everybody.
Hello.
We're at Mum's today and we're going to be making our Christmas wreaths. Let's get started, Mum.
Yeah.
So we've got these rings. I don't know if you remember, but a few weeks ago at one of the Christmas fairs, Mum bought a Christmas tree that had been made out of willow, and we've taken the two bottom rings off of it because they make great frames for our wreaths.
And you can weave some redwood into it as well, as I've started to do.
That's what
here.
you're doing on that one, isn't it? Yeah.
And they've already been sprayed gold.
Yeah.
By the person that I bought it from.
So we've collected all these different things from the garden.
Bay leaves.
Some pyrocanthus berries. Got some holly, but unfortunately it doesn't have any berries on it. We should be able to make something nice. We've got some ribbons as well, and a few baubles and some other decorations, and of course some bows.
Green wires to fix things with.
Yeah.
And some secateurs to trim things with.
Yeah, we better get started. Oh, by the way, we've also got our Christmas jumpers on.
Oh, yes. We've both got deer.
That's Mum's.
Here's Sam in her lovely jumper. It says make a wish on it, so I shall. I wish everybody a very happy Christmas and New Year.
Oh, that's lovely, Mum.
Yeah.
So Mum's just starting to fix some greenery into her willow ring. She's trimming up some of the pieces where the stalks are a bit too long.
Till you get the look that you want. That's not quite what I wanted, but I'll have to trim this one a bit. It's a bit too long.
So I've added some of the variegated plant around the rim. And I've put some of the evergreens here. And Mum has got some lovely evergreens, some nice berries there, and a different variegated one. What's in there? Yeah.
Right, Sam, how are you getting on?
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, that's lovely.
Thank you.
Yes, coming on really nice.
Just got to tie some of these in with some of these wire ties.
Yes.
Put them in place how I want them.
Be careful of the prickles.
Yes.
It's coming on lovely.
Jolly prickly. Oh, yours is coming along lovely too, Mum.
Thank you. I've got to tie these bits in.
If you're wondering where Titch is, she's having a snooze at the moment. So we took this opportunity to get this done because we don't want her to pick up any of these berries that might be poisonous to her if we drop them while we're doing it.
Yes, she does tend to eat things that she's not supposed to. I have to be careful with her.
Yeah, we do have to be careful. She often has a nap in the afternoon because she's still only a puppy.
Yes.
So that's worked out okay, hasn't it, Mum?
It has, yeah. So go walk and a nap now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a wire in. It's quite fiddly, especially when things are a bit prickly.
Yes, be careful of your fingers.
Yes. I'll try. But being a gardener, I'm used to things like that.
You are.
It's coming on.
It is lovely.
Still got some work to do on it. How are you getting on, Sam?
Okay, Mum. I've been working on this piece here.
Oh, that looks very pretty.
Getting the holly in and the berries.
Yeah.
And now I've got to flesh out around the sides a bit more.
Yes, it looks very nice. We're making quite a mess on the table.
Yeah, we've used quite a lot of the greenery already as well, haven't we?
Yes.
So we can always go out in the garden and get some more if we
We can, yeah. And I need to hoover up afterwards, but it's all worthwhile. Yeah. Lovely. So trim it up to the size you require. And it smells lovely. While we're doing it, all the conifers smell nice. Just show you my window. I've got a star with lights on it, and you can't see very well now because of the sunshine, but I've got star stickers on the window as well.
Wow, that's stunning, Mum.
Thank you. I've still got a bit of tying in to do, but I wanted to see how the bow would look up there.
Looks really good. Right, tea break time, Mum.
Yes, I'm having a nice cup of Earl Grey.
Yeah, me too. I've got your Titch mug.
It is, yeah. It's how she looked when she was a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's into mischief all the time now.
She's a teenager.
Yes. She's nearly 9 months old, so she's going through the teenage years of a dog, I suppose. Yeah. It's all inquisitive, really, isn't it?
Yes, learning about the world. So, there's Mum's finished wreath.
Yes. I'm quite proud of it, really.
So you should be, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Let's have a closer look. So Mum's put some string on the top to hold it up with. There's the bow. And some decorations on the bottom. Well done, Mum.
Thank you. So you're putting the string on yours now, Sam?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Just tying that on some garden twine.
If you put all the string the other way, the knot will be hidden.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
There we are.
Oh, yes. That looks lovely, Sam.
Thank you.
You've made a lovely job of that.
Thank you, Mum.
You've got baubles at the top and a bow at the bottom. And all the greenery all around. Looks fabulous.
Well, thank you for watching our video. Let us know in the comments if you're going to make wreaths yourself.
Yes, we'd love to know if you would like to have a go yourselves, and we hope we've inspired you.
Yeah, and there'll be another video out soon, so keep tuned to the channel. So don't forget to like
And subscribe.
and leave us a comment.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.